Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In this slide, let me walk you through setting up reoccurring task in Trello. First, we will choose any kind of board that we have created earlier. Just tap on the board and find your menu bar, which is on the right side of the Trello account surface. Then tap on that and find Power Ups. After going to Power Ups, you will find this new pop-up window from here and just find Automation from the search list. Click on Automation and scroll down until you find Card Repeater. So my card repeater is now after finding the card repeater, tap on Add. And now you don't have to adjust any other settings for repeating the card. Now cross this new popped up window from here and let's say I want to remind myself that I have pharmacy works every other. Now let's say I have pharmacy works every week. So I have to remind myself that every week I have to remind myself that I have to go to pharmacy and work for that. So if I just create on this edit pen here, it will show an open card option. Just click on open card. Once you do that, you will find a repeat option from here. Tap on repeat. And now, if you want to repeat your card for weekly or monthly or yearly, you can just choose from that. I will choose it as weekly. And now, when do you want to remind yourself of this card? You can just tap on any time you want from here and they will be available from it. And then you will have these 7 days of the week. Now it's the list of doing. You can also see the information if you just forget about it. Just tap on the days you want yourself to remind of this card here. Now just tap on save and you can see they are reminding me that you will see this card repeat on 15 March 20. Now just tap on save. And once you do that, you will see the next repeat option from here, 79, and you're done. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial.